What if one simple change to your content marketing could skyrocket your brand's reach and conversions? You'd want to apply it immediately, wouldn't you? I'm going to talk to you about video marketing and why video is the key to being more engaging online. Have you ever wondered, should I be doing content marketing using video? Chances are you've thought, yeah, I probably should, but it seems hard. It seems like a lot of work. I'm not good on camera. I don't like the sound of my voice, or some similar excuse. I want to quickly talk about the benefits of video marketing and why you need to be doing it for your brand. Let's go ahead and break it down. First off, video equals personality. When somebody engages with your business or your brand and you're using video, you're putting literally a face to the brand. Your brand becomes human. You can look them in the eye. Viewers will start to feel that they know you because they hear you talk and they can see you in your full range of emotions and articulation. There's no more hiding behind a wall of text, but instead you're here, raw and vulnerable. Large brands do not have this opportunity. Instead, they're faceless and they're corporate, whereas for smaller startup companies, you have a great opportunity to get your face out there and start to add your personal brand to your business. Additionally, video allows you to get to a wider audience because it opens up a set of new channels. Some platforms are really just for video. For example, YouTube and TikTok are video first and almost always just video. Then there are other channels like X and Instagram, which, while they allow text and photos, are really pushing in the direction of short form video because it has high engagement rates and that's what the platform wants. In fact, video does well on every single social media platform because of this. Audience members like to watch video. It keeps them watching for a longer amount of time than a text or a photo would, and this in turn means they have a longer time on platform. Because of this, the social media companies want to prioritize video content. More time on platform means more ad revenue. Therefore, they incentivize us using video content by making sure their algorithm rewards video over all different formats. This means if you have a video versus a text article on exactly the same topic, on nearly every single social media channel, the video is going to do better than the text article. People prefer to watch videos, look at an image, and read in that order. If you have a complex idea that you need to break down, video is particularly useful here. Again, you could write a 2,000-word article, but most people aren't going to spend the time or energy reading through that, whereas that same information can be condensed into a 2-minute video and get across the same points as you would in a longer form written article. And as a bonus, it's been shown that people tend to remember more from video than they do from text. What about search engine optimization, SEO, or in layman's terms, getting to the top of Google? Again, video marketing is a really powerful way to make sure that your website shows up high on Google rankings. That's because YouTube, the primary video platform, also owns Google Search. They're both run by Google. Therefore, there are some very clever things we can do, embedding YouTube videos in our blog and also making sure that our YouTube videos show up in search results that allow us to rank better on Google Search. Even more exciting right now with AI's new developments are tools that allow us to record in our native language, for example in English, and then to present the video in multiple different languages using either AI generated subtitles or a new thing, AI dubs that will directly change the language into Mandarin Chinese, Spanish, or whatever language you want. You probably know all of this. You know that video marketing is extremely important and very powerful and it will help you build your business. But you're still feeling that this is not for you because you're not good on camera, you're too shy, you don't like the sound of your voice, you have no idea how to start. I get it, totally. I used to hate being on camera. I don't like the sound of my voice, but I just got over it. In this series, I'm going to be talking about how we get over ourselves and also how we set up the tools and the workflow to make it as easy as possible to produce videos. We're also going to be leveraging AI to make the editing process really simple, which in turn makes recording or getting the raw footage for our videos very simple. We can just talk, we can make errors, and then we can use AI to cut out all those errors and make the video nice and clean for us. So don't worry about all those ums and ers anymore. Don't worry about all those false starts and the need to re-record. AI can now edit all that out. All we need is a good script and the ability to read through that script to camera and then allow AI to do the rest of the hard work for us.